Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a wise old owl named Oliver. He was known for his intelligence and helpful nature. One sunny day, Oliver noticed a group of young animals playing near a river. They seemed happy and carefree, but Oliver noticed something dangerous. The river was flowing faster than usual, and a baby deer named Daisy was about to be swept away. Without wasting a second, Oliver flew swiftly and reached Daisy just in time. He used his sharp beak to hold onto a branch, saving her from the raging waters. The animals cheered for Oliver's bravery and thanked him for his quick thinking. Curious about why the river had become so treacherous, Oliver investigated further. He discovered that a large dam had been built upstream, causing the water to rush violently downstream. Oliver called for a meeting with the other forest animals and shared his findings. Realizing the gravity of the situation, the animals decided to work together to solve the problem. They approached the beavers who had built the dam and explained how it was causing harm to their friends. The beavers, understanding the unintended consequences of their actions, agreed to dismantle the dam and restore the river's natural flow. Through teamwork and understanding, the animals successfully removed the dam, and the river regained its calmness. The incident taught everyone a valuable lesson. They learned that every action has consequences, and it is important to consider how our choices affect others. Through teamwork and understanding, the animals successfully removed the dam, and the river regained its calmness. The incident taught everyone a valuable lesson. They learned that every action has consequences, and it is important to consider how our choices affect others.